Hello everyone. In this video, we will continue to see the workflow steps on test details page for a dilution test. This is the samples page where user can download this table. And going back to the test details page, since the user has already defined a floor plan, selected number of sample points, defined the air sample rate, the number of scenarios are created, interval duration is defined, and the survey date is also defined. The tags are defined for each scenario, origin point. Now we will go to visualizer floor plans page for this dilution test. Before going to the visualizer floor plans page, users should make sure that the floor plan is defined for this test. Clicking on the floor plans will take the user to the floor plans visualizer page where user will find the defined OPs and SPs for this test. And the selected floor plan is also displayed. I am naming the OP as OP1 and naming the SP as SP1. I'm dragging and dropping to locate the origin point, and I'm dragging and dropping the sample point to locate it on the floor plan. So I have successfully located the origin point and sample point on the floor plan, and I also named them. Going back to the test details page of a dilution test, user needs to double check if all the mandatory fields are defined. The mandatory fields for a dilution test are air sample rate, floor plan defining, number of sample points, interval duration, number of scenarios, and survey date. And each scenario's origin point should have a defined tag which will help the user to create a sample plan. Thank you.